And we're back here at the stock recap show. It is 13 September 2022. It's actually 14 September 2022, but we're covering yesterday's action here, okay? Because this trading day didn't start yet. So an important disclaimer before we get into the actual numbers is these videos are all intended for educational purposes only, okay? And just trade at your own risk. Most traders lose money. 9 out of 10 traders lose money, so the odds are not really good going in, and my results are not typical, okay? But let's get into the notable movers today, and then we'll cover some broad market strategies as well. So some notable movers were AKRO. This was up 136.76%. on some pretty good news here. You know, you can look into what the news was, but they had a public offering and some unexpected win for their hepatitis treatment. So that was exciting. Probably the most exciting thing we saw all day, because if you were tracking it all, yeah, get a drink for this. So the markets were off big, 3.94% for the Dow. Nasdaq was down big. Okay, so the next big notable mover to the upside was ENTB, and this was up 40%. And not sure if there was a major catalyst here, but it was moving pretty wildly during the day. It opened at 750, dropped to 650, and closed at 7. So pretty interesting movements. And the AEHR was the next big mover. This was up 13.48%. So pretty big moves here, even though the overall markets really did get crushed. Okay, so if you really need the money anytime soon, maybe stocks isn't the best place to be holding your money, but I am thinking that this is probably just a one-day trend, because there's going to be a Fed meeting on the 21st, FOMC meeting, and I'm expecting a dovish statement, so that should help the markets rally. But I guess we're a little bit far from next Wednesday here. Okay, so hopefully we rally toward the end of the week here, but it is looking scary out there. So just know you don't have to trade, okay? And you can trade in a simulator as well. If you don't know how to do that, you can book a call on FridayTraders.com, and we'll walk you through the entire process. It's free to set up and free to start executing trades and testing out your strategies, okay? So let's get into the about to breakout stocks. It could go it's inside the park. Okay, so these are the about to break out stocks. Here's how they did last week. These are the weekly performances, okay, that I put in here. And on the 13th is when we highlighted some about to break out stocks right now. So that's ARDX. This could be about to break out, okay? Pretty low cash on hand, but really it's got a lot of cash for where the stock price is sitting, okay? So there's 54 cents per share, and it's only trading at $1.44 per share. A lot of outstanding shares though, so big supply here, but also pretty big demand. 12 million shares traded, and up 8% when the markets dropped off. What was it? 4 to 5.16%. The Nasdaq was down. Wow. So AKRO. Let's see what this. We're gonna get into the scary stocks in a second, but so yeah, this was on the about to break out list. Next about to break out is Journ. This is the 15-minute chart that we're looking at. So I'm just going to zoom out to the daily chart, and some might call this an actual breakout. But I like to be convinced by the 10% over the top, or maybe even 30%. That would be nice. Like an AKRO, something like this. That we're definitely watching tomorrow. Okay. AMLX, this is the last about to break out stock, but it doesn't have huge relative volume here. Okay, the volume today was a little bit above the average volume, but it was up 72.54% on the week, so that's pretty big. Next are the scary stocks. I'm going to go through these real quick. HKD, this was down 21%. RLA was down 16%, and JPL was down 7.84%. Okay, so these were the scary stocks. Oh no, okay, I'm just missing Getty here. So we covered RLA, and then Getty was I think JPL was. I was looking that up for last week, so 7.48 is Getty, so that's good. JPL, so these were actually the weekly numbers, I think. Go back to JPL for a second. So yeah, this was down 76.93%. I guess we highlighted it last week when it was up here. So yeah, scary looking stocks, it's a scary looking market. You really don't want to be invested in everything, and right now index funds might not be the best idea unless you have like a year long-term outlook for your accounts, because we may not have bottomed yet, but we'll see come September 21st, see what they have to say. Okay, and that's it for the stock recap show. If you're looking to accelerate trade profits, then you can book a call on FridayTraders.com, and myself or a member of our team will be happy to assist you on getting to your trading goals and helping you through your trading journey, maybe even building you a plan and setting some risk management rules that make sense for your goals and expectations, and also cater a plan to your schedule too, right? Because you don't have all day to trade, right? Okay, so that's it for Stock Recap Show, and I'll see you on Thursday. See you then.